Bonjour, my royal friends. This is Princess Diane von Brainesfried with more tips for your royally happy life. Today, I'd like to give you a little trick that I use when I encounter any kind of medical issue, be it something that's kind of a large issue, like I experienced when I was diagnosed with breast cancer, or the day-to-day issues that you might have. Let's say you have to have some back surgery or hip surgery, or just you have some sort of a little event that takes you to the hospital or the emergency room or emergent care. And some of these things, especially as you're getting older, you might start saying to yourself, oh my gosh, I'm starting to deconstruct, or I'm getting older, or whatever it is. Well, first of all, you're alive, and that's already, you're above ground, and that's always something to celebrate. But we can say that to ourselves, but sometimes our minds can be our worst enemies. So I've come up with tricks over the years, especially with the breast cancer deal, where I put a positive spin on it in my own brain, and it really helps. Here's a biggie. If you're facing something and it's daunting and it's, let's say, of a medical nature, say to yourself, you know what? Even a Rolls Royce has to go in for maintenance sometimes, right? Jaguar, Bentley, Rolls Royce, even those elegant high-end cars, Beamer, whatever you want, replace it with whatever you want. I say Rolls Royce. Even they have to go into the shop now and then. So face it, we're all Rolls Royces and high-end cars, and we can't expect to run, and not have to have some recalibration sometimes, not have to have some work on the engine sometimes, not have to pull up the hood sometimes and have an oil change, right? So next time you're feeling a little bit blue, maybe down on yourself because you have to have some work done, let's say, because you're not feeling so hot, remember, even a Rolls Royce has to go in the shop for maintenance from time to time. Mwah! Ta-ta for now.